Good morning, Paul Chargy from Allendale. It's June 29th, Wednesday morning, day before the USDA reports. They come out tomorrow morning at 7:30. A lot of excitement in the grain markets overnight. We're sharply higher in corn, beans, wheat, and really hard to find new news to justify the strength other than just pent-up buying, traders wanting to be long this market going into the report. And on the economic front, we've got the Greek Parliament is due to vote here within an hour or so, by 9 o'clock this morning, on the austerity plan. People believe that it will pass. There's still a lot of problems involved there once it does pass, but if it does, that is what the anticipation is. So with the anticipation of this, we're seeing the dollar lower, the crude higher, gold higher, and a risk-on type attitude in commodities. So with that excitement, you got to wonder if this isn't, and you got to be careful about the possibilities of this being a buy the rumor, sell the fact type attitude or situation with the Greek vote. So something to monitor here today. But we've got a major influence day in the markets tomorrow with reports out, with the end of month, end of quarter happenings going on in the grain markets. Other news this morning in the cash, we've seen basis strengthen on the Mississippi River. One of our customers called early this morning and said the basis jumped about 15 cents here overnight on a river location. The anticipation there, the thought is that China is buying. Any kind of movement in the cash market right now, traders are relating to China buying. We haven't had any confirmation of that. The break even in China of imported corn versus their domestic corn is not really an advantage to imports, but maybe we get that announcement tomorrow morning as well, because we do have the weekly export sales numbers also coming out tomorrow morning. So a lot of anticipation here, and I think the overall trade wants to be long or afraid of not being long coming into this report tomorrow. In the other news, we did have the North Dakota Farm Agency estimate that the prevented planting acres was over 6 million acres in North Dakota, which would be a record number of acres. And once the trade heard about this yesterday, caused buying to surge throughout the grain complex. We're also getting reports out of the Ukraine and FSU that winter wheat harvest is starting there, and yields are actually very good, so that might weigh on the market a little bit. We're also seeing the spring wheat conditions in the Black Sea region improve, and that so things are looking up there as far as supply goes. Expect markets to be strong today, with a key to the action here, an overall attitude of investors coming out of this Greek austerity vote here later this morning. In the livestock complex, cattle have not traded in the cash markets yet this week. Offers are in that 114 area. Last week we traded up to 112. Cutout values slightly higher yesterday. Choice up 31, Select up 51. We're in the time period here, though. Once we get past the 4th of July holiday, demand for beef slides. Usually we see some weakness come into the product sector, and that could keep the packers from paying up for these cattle. In the hog complex, we've seen pork cutouts drop sharply yesterday, down $3.37. And this is in line with what we had been thinking, where the early week we'd see some fill-in buying, and then once we go into the holiday, demand's going to slow down. We're also in a period here where hot temperatures are going to slow down growth in pork production, and with the tight supplies that we've got, could provide some underlying support here in the cash and in the futures market. So stick with Allendale Research. We've got a lot of things happening here in the next several days. Give us a call. We can give you full details. Make sure you check in with the Allendale Research Center. And if you're not subscribed, get subscribed so you can keep up with that information. If you got any questions, you can reach us at 800-262-7538. Check us out on the web. And we wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.